right, so now we're gonna hit up the Brixton floor plan here in Vivid Shores. It is an exceptional take on what Pulte has as the Mystique. So if you're familiar with Pulte Homes, this is basically an upgraded version of the Mystique, made especially in their higher end luxury communities. And so let's go take a tour. All right, Tyler's here with us again. Tyler, tell us the, what's the overall square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms for the Brixton?
Yeah, so this is, the Brixton is a part of our Aqua series. Whenever you're reviewing our map, it will be one of the orange home sites. But this is 3 bedrooms and an office, and you have 3 full bathrooms. Comes in about 2,366 square feet. There is an option for a pool bath outside, which would make it a little bit over 2,400 square feet. And you do have the option to make the den a bedroom, so this could be a 4-bedroom home.
Yeah, feels great. I mean, and one of the features in this particular floor plan that I've always appreciated are the 0 corner sliders. And what I mean by that is the sliders going outside, they have architecturally, there's no beam here in the middle. So when we open these up, basically inside becomes outside, outside becomes inside, and it's just really true Florida living at its finest. Instantly, especially on a beautiful day like today, you feel like the living space just grew exponentially. The kitchen in this particular floor plan, very, very entertainment friendly. Good size island. This is the entertainment upgrade for the appliances. This has all the built-ins.
So every home here comes with a built-in kitchen. Your kitchen is what's considered an upgrade in other communities.
Yeah.
For here, just your included kitchen is a very nice built-in with KitchenAid appliances.
And we do have gas, which is really nice.
Natural
not usual.
gas. And we have about 4 kitchen layouts.
So with the Brixton, you have a good outdoor space here as you come out, but notice how the dining area is more narrow than some of the other floor plans. It does open up once we turn the corner here. So if you did want to put in an outdoor kitchen, you could do it there, or you could do it over here on this wall. Either one is an option. And again, here in Vivid Shores, beautiful lakefront living. The views are a 10 out of 10. All right, so let's check out the owner suite next. Again, one of the things that is a common thread throughout all of the floor plans here is the natural light, especially in the owner suite. You can see all of the windows we have. It's a nice bay window setup, and look at this view. I mean, this view looks like it should be in a magazine.
And a couple things I will point out is with the Brixton, the owner suite, you do get the bay window. That's an automatic for this floor plan. Some of our other floor plans that we offer here, that's an option, but you'll see this has that enlarged shower, which kind of goes wall to wall in here. So this is one of the alternative layouts for our floor plans offered.
Yeah, multiple windows into the shower. So we'll give you a look at this pure walk-in. And what's nice about that is you can capture a lot of the steam. A lot of people enjoy a steam shower, and that is a great opportunity in this particular setup. Right, and then we have the owner's closet. Good size closet here. Now making our way back towards the front of the home. So this is the den or the office, which, as Tyler mentioned, this could be made into a 4th bedroom for the Brixton. Guest bath. And our guest bedroom. One unique feature for this particular elevation of the Brixton is to have the nice open porch. So you can see there's a swing that's out there. And then we have our closet. To our right is our laundry. And our 3rd bedroom. And then the alarm tells us where you are next. So all of the garages have the epoxy flooring, really a nice feature.
You get the stucco wall finish as well in this community.
On the interior of the garage, is that what you're referring to?
Right.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. So that does it for the Brixton floor plan here at Vivid Shores. It's really a great livable floor plan. So if you don't need all of the square footage of some of the larger homes here, it still has an open concept and amazing views. It is a really great option. So if you're looking for more information about this particular floor plan, or if you want to come out to the community and take a look, make sure that you go to explorevividshores.com. We have all of the pricing, all the different floor plans that are there, and we also have a VIP registration where you get all the updates about what's happening in this amazing community of Vivid Shores. That's it for now. Have a blessed day.